Hello Storytime friends. I have a wonderful book to share with you today. It's called Out of Nowhere by Chris Naylor-Ballesteros. And it's a story about friendship and being brave. Let me read to you what it says on the back of the book. Our friends may change, but the love we feel for them remains the same. And this is a story about a beetle and her friend. Once I had a friend. She arrived out of nowhere one day. I asked where she'd come from, but she didn't know. She stayed with me, and every day we shared a picnic on the big rock looking out over the forest. Do you see them? Then, at the end of each day, we would watch the moon come up together. And it's very late at night. I fell asleep. And she goes over the edge of the rock and builds a cocoon around her. I wonder what's going to happen with the cocoon. We'll see later. One morning, I woke up and my friend was nowhere to be seen. I looked everywhere. Can you remember where she is? She's over the edge of the rock. But I can't see her. I took a telescope, looked through it, and at last, there was my friend lost in the deep forest. I think that I can see the red of my friend. Now, I know I look very strong with my tough shell and spiky horns, but the truth is sometimes I don't feel very strong at all. But if I wanted to find my friend, I just have to pretend. I packed a very big picnic and set off. And she's still there, hiding in her cocoon. I sang a song to myself to feel a little bit stronger. I'm a beetle, and don't you know, I'm not afraid of a hungry crow. Yes, I'm a beetle, and can't you see, fearsome frogs don't frighten me. Oh, I'm a beetle, and haven't you heard? I'll keep singing till I run out of words. No one bothered me much, so I think it worked. And then, just when my big brave song finally ran out of words, I was there in the forest. But I realized I'd made a very big mistake. The red that I had seen was a toadstool. And my friend was back underneath the hanging rock and was changing into a butterfly. I had no idea where my friend was. And she'd been so brave and had flown off. I was tired, and it was a very long way back to the big rock, so I decided to stay for a while, just until I got my strength back. And then, out of nowhere, someone suddenly arrived. I felt as if I'd seen her before, but at first I couldn't quite put my finger on where. Then I looked more closely, and I just knew it was my friend. She had changed a little bit, but it was my friend all the same. We shared my picnic just like before. We did the same the day after, and the day after that, and today too. It's just like before on the big rock. Then at the end of each day, we take off to watch the moon come up together. And my friend is with me again, out of nowhere. What a wonderful story. Thank you for sharing with me. Goodbye, Storytime friends.